today's episode, we're going to be cleaning my S15 that I haven't even cleaned since I got it. Got a few months back, so stay tuned. Okay, starting with this car, we're going to start with the interior. It's pretty dirty. I know my kids be back here sometimes. Just stay tuned. I'm going to clean this joint, and then you guys can see how it comes out. Okay, so to start off, we remove both seats so we can really get in there, get all that junk out, and start cleaning it real nice. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna vacuum the whip. Stay tuned. So we back in the whip. Still gotta work on the seats a little bit. Got a little bit of stains, but other than that, came out pretty good so far. Put one of the Silvia floor mats down. Looks decent. I'm gonna change the floors probably a little bit. Doing an Atlas probably, maybe 2J. Comment below, see what you think. Maybe RB26. So, but I'm gonna put the seats back together and put the rest of the floor mats. Get to work on the Supra later on. Just got another video for this. Alright, so the car's clean now. Looks good, smells good. So you clean an S15 real quick. Probably took 25-30 minutes. The interior is just warm up. Now we're to the exterior. Gotta wash these two. Which is a wrap. Comes out good once it's washed. Drive beach.